Welcome to the world of AI and machine learning engineering, where we are building the smart systems of tomorrow. This exciting field is at the forefront of technology, driving innovation and transforming industries. An AI and machine learning engineer designs and builds intelligent systems that learn from data. They combine software engineering with machine learning and data science to power technologies like recommendation engines, voice assistants, autonomous vehicles, and fraud detection systems. AI and machine learning engineers are responsible for developing and deploying machine learning models, working with large data sets to clean, pre-process, and structure data. They optimize models for accuracy, speed, and scalability, collaborate with data scientists, software engineers, and product teams, and monitor and retrain models to prevent drift and maintain performance. To excel in this field, AI and machine learning engineers need strong technical skills, including proficiency in programming languages like Python, R, Java, and C++. They should be familiar with ML frameworks and libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, Keras, and XGBoost, and have a solid understanding of math and statistics. Data manipulation skills using NumPy and Pandas, model deployment knowledge with Flask, FastAPI, Docker, and Kubernetes, and experience with cloud ML services like AWS SageMaker, Azure ML, and Google AI Platform are also essential. Beyond technical expertise, AI and machine learning engineers must possess essential soft skills. Analytical thinking helps break complex problems into solvable parts, while strong communication skills are crucial for explaining ML results to non-technical stakeholders. Curiosity and creativity drive experimentation with new models and approaches. Collaboration ensures effective teamwork with cross-functional teams, and persistence is key as models often fail before they succeed. AI and machine learning engineers can pursue various roles, including machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, data scientist, MLOps engineer, and research scientist. Each role focuses on different aspects of AI and machine learning, from building models and exploring data to deploying new algorithms and pushing the cutting edge of technology. Imagine Spotify's recommendation system, where AI and machine learning engineers build collaborative filtering models to suggest music. They optimize these models to handle millions of daily users and monitor user behavior feedback to improve recommendations. Without AI and machine learning engineers, Spotify wouldn't feel personalized or smart. AI and machine learning engineers enjoy lucrative salary potential, with entry-level positions earning between $90,000 and $120,000 per year. Mid-level roles can earn $20,000 to $160,000, while senior engineers can make $160,000 to $200,000 annually. Big tech or specialized roles offer even higher salaries, ranging from $200,000 to $300,000 or more, with bonuses and stock options. Freelance or contract rates vary from $80 to $200 per hour. The career growth paths for AI and machine learning engineers are promising, starting from ML engineer to senior ML engineer, AI architect, and director of AI engineering. Opportunities to move into research or PhD-level innovation, specialize in areas like computer vision, NLP, reinforcement learning, or generative AI, or become an independent consultant for startups or enterprises are abundant. Getting started in AI and machine learning involves learning Python and foundational math, taking online courses, or completing a master's degree, working on real data sets through Kaggle competitions and open-source projects, building a portfolio with classification models, NLP projects, and computer vision tasks, and sharing work on GitHub and LinkedIn to attract recruiters. AI and machine learning engineers face several challenges, including gathering clean, labeled data, avoiding overfitting and bias in models, scaling models for real-time production use, keeping up with rapid advancements in the AI field, and balancing experimental research with business needs. AI and machine learning engineers are shaping the future of how machines learn and think. The field offers high demand, top salaries, and cutting-edge challenges. Continuous learning and curiosity are must-haves, and whether you're building models or deploying them at scale, the field is full of opportunity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives on tech careers. Comment below on what AI and machine learning topic you're most curious about: deep learning, NLP, MLOps, or something else.